This is why your life feels stuck. Not because you lack time, not because you lack talent, but because you've trained your brain to choose what's easy over what actually matters. And the worst part, you don't even notice it anymore. Every morning, you wake up with full motivation. Today I'll study. Today I'll focus. Today I won't waste time. But then your thumb taps the phone. One scroll, then another, and suddenly, your day belongs to your phone, not you. You didn't lose focus, it was silently stolen. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your brain is not lazy. It's overloaded. Dopamine hits every 5 seconds. Notifications, reels, endless choices. Your mind is being trained to chase quick rewards, not long-term success. That's why studying feels hard. Not because you're weak, but because your environment is stronger than your discipline. And if you don't take control of your attention, something else will. Your phone, your boredom, your habits, your old self. Every minute you waste is not just lost time, it's lost potential, lost confidence, lost chances that won't come back. You're not just killing minutes, you're killing a future version of you. So let's keep it simple. Don't fix your whole life. Fix your next 10 minutes. Put your phone in another room. Sit with your book. Study for just 10 minutes. No perfection, no pressure. Just start. Because one tiny action creates one tiny win, and tiny wins create unstoppable momentum. Consistency doesn't start with 2 hours, it starts with 10 honest minutes. If you're preparing for JE or NEET, listen closely. These exams don't judge intelligence, they judge consistency. Your ability to sit down when others run away, your ability to focus when others scroll, your ability to do the work you promised yourself. Master this one skill, and you'll outrank students way smarter than you. Your future self is watching you from 2026, and they're begging you, don't waste today. Because every hour you control builds a life you'll be proud of. Time is not running out. You are. Fix your next minute, and the rest of your year will transform itself. Your life changes the moment you decide to act, and that moment is right now.